Best way to visualize interior design ideas online. Visualizing your interior design ideas before implementing them saves time, money, and frustration. With Homestyler, you don't need professional training to bring your concepts to life. Start with the floor plan. Use 2D tools to draw out rooms and walls. Then, switch to 3D view and begin adding furniture, colors, lighting, and decor. Everything updates in real time, so you can see how your choices work together. Use the furniture library to experiment with styles and arrangements. Want a modern vibe? Drag in clean line sofas and geometric tables. Prefer traditional? Try rich wood finishes and layered textures. Test wall colors, flooring materials, and window treatments with the material editor. You can change the entire mood of a room in seconds. Want to try multiple versions? Duplicate your design and make changes to each version for comparison. Homestyler also includes features like panoramic walkthroughs and render options, so you can see your space in photorealistic quality. This is perfect for sharing with clients or collaborators. The link in the description lets you use Homestyler for free. It's the ultimate visualizer for interior design enthusiasts and professionals alike. Instead of guessing, visualize. Homestyler turns imagination into design.